How to connect interactive brokers to NinjaTrader. To connect interactive brokers to NinjaTrader, follow my steps. Go to NinjaTrader website, then download and install their application. Go to the interactive brokers website, then download and install IB Gateway. Now, we need to enable the market in interactive brokers. For that, log in with your account information. Now, go to Settings. Now enter into Market Data Subscription. Click on the Configuration button. Tick mark the options you need and press Continue. Open NinjaTrader and IB Gateway. Go to Configure and click on to Settings. Double-click on API, then click on Settings. Uncheck Read Only API and collect your socket port. Save your settings. Go to Connections on NinjaTrader. Click Configure. Find Interactive Brokers and double-click it. Select Interactive Brokers. Enter your IB account information. Click Apply. Now, go to Connections again. You will see Interactive Brokers option. Click on it to connect.
Thanks for watching.